When I was young, I think at school, one of the ideas my teachers kept impressing on me is that education is about the accumulation of factual knowledge. Being able to find countries on maps, being able to give dates for the kings and queens of England. And I think part of me thought this was really very interesting, but part of me also felt there's a real danger that we confuse knowledge and wisdom. It's not enough to accumulate information. We want to, if you like, go beneath the surface and act, what is this all about? Knowledge is about information, and we have so much of that. Wisdom is about seeing a deeper rationality that's there behind all these facts.